Benvenuti everyone, welcome to Language with Sara. In the quick video, learn the indirect object pronouns in Italian. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is to me. To me in Italian is a me. A me. To me in Italian is a me. To you, a te. A te. You in Italian is te. Te. And to him in Italian is a lui. A lui. To me, a me. To you, a te. To him, a lui. These are the simple and short phrases. You can remember them today if you want to. Repeat after me if you want. To me, a me. Me in Italian is me. You in Italian is te. And him in Italian is lui. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me in the quick and easiest way. Learning Italian in short ways is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian faster. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is to her. And to her means in Italian a lei. A lei. Remember, her in Italian is lei and him in Italian is lui. Focus on the pronunciation her, lei, and him, lui. Next one is to us. A noi. Us in Italian is noi. To us, a noi. To you all, a voi. You all in Italian is a voi. You all, voi, us, noi, and her, lei. And please everyone, make sure you remember them today because these are the short ones. You can remember them easily today if you want. Now next phrase is to them. To them. A loro. Them in Italian is loro. Them, loro. To them, a loro. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day and speak like a native Italian speaker. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.